Uncomfortable headphones never seem to fit. Ear pain and headaches every time you wear them. It's time to upgrade. Meet Reload TouchFit, fit made for your comfort and style. Built for professional sports, maximize your performance. It's ultra lightweight that you won't feel them. It's universal and anti-slip fit, with an adjustable hooks fits all ear shapes and sizes. Comes with the smart touchscreen case. No more fumbling. Just one simple touch. Full feature access without need of smartphone in hand. It's your ultimate training partner, tracking workouts and keeping you motivated. PyTX 5 sweatproof wherever you go, rain or shine, workout or commute. Supports situation awareness mode that's perfect for daily chores. With inbuilt timer alert makes it easier than ever to stay in schedule. With ENC 2.0 technology, get crystal clear calls even in the busiest environments, where it isolates from noise. Reload TouchFit delivers powerful bass that pulls you deep into your music. Enjoy up to 30 hours of uninterrupted listening. Jump between music, gaming, and more. Delivers immersive 360-degree sound quality. Reload TouchFit is light and easy, even as you sleep. With all-in-one mobile app access, you have total control over every feature. Misplaced your case? The Find My Case feature in the app has got you covered.
We are bringing Reload TouchFit from the ground up. Smart functions and sleek, lightweight design. Join us on this journey and be part of the future of audio. Help us bring this innovation to life.